Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video, and as you saw from the title, we are going to be installing these Diode Dynamics rear turn signal LEDs, because if you come over here, turn on my hazards, you can see that this one works and this one does not work. Kind of a problem when you're driving through traffic. And if you saw my last light install video, remember I installed these backup reverse lights from the same company, so it's a pretty similar process, but hang with me. And if you enjoyed this content, remember to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what else you would like to see. Let's get into it. Alright, so all we have to do is just pop the trunk, and if you guys noticed since the video, it is Christmas time now, so I have these lights, I have these lights, I have these lights, and I also have these ones in the front, but they're not on. I just turned these on for the video. And yeah, once we open the trunk, we're going to use this little table thingy as our workbench. So let's get our materials. All we need is the actual lights, and then we got a 10 mil here. So yeah, let's get this unboxed. Alright, so we just open up this. You can see we have our packing slip with our information, and then you can see right here we have the actual lights themselves. They are a lot beefier than the reverse lights, the backup lights, and I'm guessing they're probably beefier than the stock lights, but that's because they're LEDs. So let's open them up and actually get them installed. Just like that, easy enough. And then let's pull out just one. Here it is. Nice. Alright, now let's get the taillight off. So yeah, if you saw my last video, it's pretty similar. It's the same thing. There's two bolts here and here. I'll show you guys these right there and right there. Sorry, it's kind of dark. So we're just gonna pull these off, and then there's a clip right here, and we just gonna slide it off, and then disconnect the power for it, of course. Let's do that. Second one down. Alright, and now we just kind of slide it off. Okay, so after a bit of wiggling, I got it. And it looks like the power clip just kind of came off with it, I guess. So yeah. Okay, so just like the last video, this is the reverse light that we installed, and then this one right here is the turn signal that we need to install. So we're just gonna take it out just by twisting it and then replace it with the new one. All right, I also brought out some light. So flip it around, and this is the reverse light, just like I said. Just twist it, pull it off, and here is the stock bulb. Just twist, and here it is, just a regular halogen bulb. And here is the Diode Dynamics one for comparison. Alright, then we just get it clipped back in. Just like that. And it's all in there now. Then we stick it in here and twist it closed, just like that. Now that we got it installed, let's just take the taillight and get our connector clipped back on. Just like that. And then we are going to slide in the taillight, just like we took it off. It's a lot easier putting it back on than taking it off. And it should be in, just like that. There we go. Now let's get these bolts back in. Alright, now that we got it back in, all secured in, we're going to do a comparison between the LED one and the stock one that's in right now. So we just come back over here, turn on these hazards, and boom. This is the stock one. This is the LED one. Much brighter. I mean, there's like a big trail on the ground compared to this one. It just doesn't have much. It may not pick up well on camera, but there is a noticeable difference between this one, especially in the response time. It turns on and off much faster than this one, which kind of has more of a fade. This one looks much better. All right, now that I got this one in, I'm gonna put you guys up on a time lapse and just get this one installed. All right, now that we got them both back on, let's go turn on my hazards one last time. And boom, both installed. They both look so much better. They're very bright, and like I said, the fading time, there's like no fade. They just go on and off instantly. They look very nice. All right, so now that this is done, please remember to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed my content. I'm gonna have a lot more stuff coming soon this year, and especially next year. I have very big plans next year. Also, if you want to check this out, my brother's new wheels just came for his R53 Mini Cooper S, so I'm sure I'll have that in the vlog at some point. And one last thing before I go, Diode Dynamics is not sponsoring this video. I have 2 other things now. I would love to have more, but no, they're not sponsoring me, and I would love if they did, but you know, that's not gonna happen. Thanks, guys.